Have you ever wondered what fuels the mind of your smart devices? Well, it's a fascinating world of ones and zeros, known as artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Imagine a branch of computer science that's been tasked with an ambitious goal: to create machines that can mimic the complexity of human intelligence. It's a realm where technology meets human cognition, where devices aren't just tools, but become intelligent entities capable of learning and improving. AI has become the invisible hand guiding our modern world, making our devices smarter, our lives easier, and our world more connected. It's in our phones, our cars, even our home appliances. From voice assistants that can answer our questions to algorithms that predict our preferences, AI is all around us. In the grand scheme of things, AI is the unseen intellect that's turning the cogs and gears of our smart devices. So, in a nutshell, artificial intelligence is the brain behind your smart devices. Artificial intelligence is not a new kid on the block. Its roots go deep into history. The inception of what we now know as AI was first sparked by a brilliant mind, Alan Turing. His theoretical Turing machine in the mid-20th century was the first step towards the possibility of machines mimicking human intelligence. This idea was further developed in the 1950s and 60s, with the creation of early AI programs that could solve algebra problems and mimic human language. Fast forward to the 21st century, and we've witnessed AI evolve from simple computations to complex problem-solving tasks. Nowadays, AI is all around us, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to autonomous vehicles. It's been a journey of continuous evolution and innovation. The AI of today is smarter, faster, and more integrated into our daily lives than ever before. From simple computations to complex problem-solving, AI has come a long way. Did you know? Not all AIs are created equal. There's a vast spectrum of artificial intelligence, each with its unique capabilities and complexities. Let's delve into the different types of AI, namely narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. First off, we have narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This type of AI is designed to perform a narrow task, such as voice recognition. It's the most common type of AI that you'll encounter in your day-to-day life. Think about voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. These AIs can answer your questions, play your favorite songs, or even tell you a joke, but their intelligence is limited to the tasks they've been programmed to do. They're like specialists in their fields, but don't expect them to step outside their area of expertise. Moving on, we have general AI, or strong AI. This type is still mostly in the realm of science fiction, but researchers are working hard to make it a reality. General AI would have all the capabilities of a human being, including understanding, learning, adapting, and even experiencing emotions. A general AI could perform any intellectual task that a human being can. It's like the androids you see in movies, capable of independent thought and decision-making. Lastly, we have superintelligent AI, the most advanced type. This AI would surpass human intelligence and could potentially outperform humans in most economically valuable work. It's a fascinating yet intimidating concept, as such an AI could solve complex problems beyond our comprehension, but also pose risks if not managed correctly. So, there you have it, the different types of AI. From the Siri on your phone, which is a narrow AI, to the concept of superintelligent AI that could outsmart us all. Whether it's Siri on your phone or a future robot that can outthink us, each belongs to different categories of AI. Now let's dive into the inner workings of AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's often called, isn't some magical, mysterious force. It's a technology that operates on principles that we can understand, much like how we understand the workings of a car engine or a computer processor. So how exactly does AI work? Well, at its core, AI functions through two main mechanisms: machine learning and neural networks. Imagine you're learning to play the piano. You don't instantly know how to play Mozart's Symphony No. 40. Instead, you start with the basics, learning one note at a time. With practice and repetition, your brain begins to recognize patterns like scales and chords, and over time, you become capable of playing complex pieces. This process is quite similar to how machine learning works. Machine learning is a subset of AI, where algorithms are designed to learn from data. These algorithms analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions or predictions based on those patterns, much like how we learn from our experiences. Just as you learn to play the piano, an AI system might learn to recognize faces, recommend products, or predict weather patterns, all based on the data it's been given. Now let's discuss neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these are systems of algorithms designed to recognize patterns. They interpret sensory data, identifying underlying patterns much like our own neural networks do. Neural networks consist of layers of nodes or neurons, each processing an aspect of the data and contributing to the final output. This layered, interconnected structure allows the network to learn from complex and unstructured data, enhancing the AI's decision-making capabilities. So in essence, AI works by mimicking human learning processes, constantly analyzing data, recognizing patterns, and improving its performance based on what it learns. However, it's important to remember that while AI can mimic human learning, it doesn't possess consciousness or emotions, and its learning is fundamentally different from human learning. Just like us, AI learns from experience, only their experience comes from data. So, what does the rise of AI mean for us? Well, let's start with the positive side. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing numerous sectors. In healthcare, AI algorithms are predicting diseases, personalizing treatments, and even assisting in surgeries. In finance, they're streamlining operations and detecting fraud. And in transportation, they're powering self-driving vehicles. But with great power comes great responsibility. The potential risks of AI are also significant. Unchecked AI could lead to job displacement and privacy issues. There's also the fear of AI systems becoming too smart, leading to what is known as the singularity. This is the hypothetical future point at which artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. Despite these concerns, the benefits of AI are too compelling to ignore. As we continue to refine and regulate this technology, it's clear that AI with its potential is not just changing our devices but our lives and the world.